Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to break down a crazy reharmonization of this song, The Goodness of God. Let me show you the video so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's go.
And all my life you have been faithful.
Yo.
And all my life you have been so good.
This is nice.
Breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God.
Yo, this is a crazy harmonization. I'm going to explain all those chords to you so you can understand everything about them. And before starting, if you see that I'm doing a good work, the only one way that you can support me is by subscribing to my channel. Oh, am I shy? Oh no. Please just click on the subscribe button below and let's get started. We will be in the key of B flat major. Okay? B flat will be our 1, C will be our 2, D our 3, E flat 4, F will be our 5, G will be our 6, A will be our 7, and then B flat our 1. Okay? I hope you understand everything there. Let's play the beginning of the song. It was like this. And all my life you have been faithful. Okay? So let's talk about these chords. The first one is this chord. This is a nice chord, which is an E flat major 7 chord. Okay? Or like this. It's like combining G minor in the right hand and just an E flat major chord in our left hand. Okay? We can do it like this also. So this is a voicing of E flat major 7 chord. Okay? The next one is this chord, which is an E flat 9 sharp 11 chord. This is a nice chord. Okay? This is E flat, G, B flat, D flat, and then F, A. E flat 9 sharp 11 chord. This is a nice chord. And this is a passing. And this is a passing chord to go to the 3. Okay, if we are on the 4. Oh, okay. Okay, this is a nice passing chord to go from the 4 to go to the 3. Okay, and let's continue. And all my life you have been faithful. The next chord is this nice chord. This is a simple chord, but it is very nice. This is a D minor 7 chord. This is a D minor 7 chord voicing. Okay? This is a nice chord. This is D, A, C, F. Okay? It's like combining F major in the right hand and just a D chord or G minor chord in our left hand, but we're just going to take away the A and let it like this. Okay? And let's continue. And all my life you have been faithful. This is a nice chord also, which is a F minor 7 chord. This is F minor 7 chord voicing. Okay? This is F, C, F, and then G sharp, C, D sharp. It's like combining a G sharp major in our right hand and then just a F chord in our left hand. Okay? Which gives us a nice F minor 7 chord. And let's continue to play the next part of the song. Let's start over to see how it will sound. And all my life you have been faithful. This, and then we will come back on the 4 again to continue the song. And all my life, okay? But if we want after this, we can do the 1 as a passing chord just to go to the 4 again, okay? Like this. And all my life you have been faithful. this one chord, dominant chord. This is B flat dominant chord to go to the 4 again. Okay, and let's continue. And all my life. Oh, this is a fantastic chord again, which is a A7 flat 9 chord. Okay, this is a nice chord version. This is A, E, G, and then in our left hand we just play C sharp, E, G, and then B flat. Okay, it's like combining a C sharp diminished 7 chord in our right hand and a A7 in our left hand. Okay, the combination of these two chords gives us this nice A7 flat 9 chord. Okay, and we will come back on this nice chord, on our tweak chord, which is a D minor 7. Okay, and all my life you have been so, this chord. Okay, D minor 7 versing. So good. Okay, this is the same chord as we played lately. This is let's say F minor 7 chord. Okay, this is the same chord as lately, F minor 7 chord versing. And we can come back on our 1 again, dominant chord. Okay, and all my life you have been so good. You see, and then there we will go a fantastic chord, which is this chord. Let me play the whole song so you can see how it sounds. Okay, and all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. Oh, this is a crazy chord. This is a E half diminished 7 chord. This is E, G, B flat, and then we'll just play D, G, and then B flat in our right hand. It's like combining a G minor chord in our right hand and a E diminished chord in our left hand. The combination of these two chords is going to give us this nice half diminished 7 chord. Okay, with every breath, this nice chord again. We played it lately. This is a A7 flat 9 chord. It's like playing C sharp diminished 7 in our right hand and a A7 in our left hand. Okay, we can do it like this. There's a voicing. With every breath that I am This is the same chord as lately. This is a D minor 7, simple but a very nice chord. A bow. This is the craziest chord in the video. So let me play the whole song again so you can see how this chord will sound. And all my life you have been faithful. Oh, and all my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able. Oh, do you see that chord? I will sing. Okay, this is a nice chord, which is a G13 flat 9 chord. Oh, this is G, D, F, and then B, E, G sharp in the right hand. Okay, it's like combining a G7 chord in our left hand and this E major chord in our right hand, E major chord. Okay, this is the second version. Okay, and then I will sing. Okay, I will sing. Okay, of the good. This is our 2 chord. 1, 2. This is C minor 7 chord. Versing. This is C, G, B flat, E flat. I will sing of the goodness. This nice chord. This is a F6 9 chord. This is the 6 and then the 9. Okay? The goodness of God, and then going to end it on this one chord. This is a B flat major 7 chord. Okay. Now let me play the whole song so you can see the beauty of all these chords. Okay. And all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. Yeah, 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 yeah. All my life you have been so good, yeah, yeah. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Yo, this is very beautiful. There were some passing chords that we use in the song, like taking from the 4, this nice chord, to go to the 3, which is this chord, and then this chord. We can use it in another song. I don't know the words of the song, but it is this song. Okay. This major 7. You see? To the 3. Oh. I hope that you know this song, so we can use these passing chords in this song. 4. Now we are at the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I count on your help, and we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.